Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a BTSD viral video, one of the best videos I can do. I just like to share some information, a very important information. Yesterday, the Nifty 50 went up by 311 points. But what happened was in the morning itself during the BTSD, the first part of the increase was about 240 points. So throughout the day, it made only 70 points, 70 or 80 points it made. Okay, and it went about almost about 100 points and came back, but there was not big move. Okay, so usually what happens in BTSD is that suppose you are a BTSD trader, you can catch up the big move right in the morning in the first trade itself before the session starts for trading. Okay, so BTSD is very handy, but you need to do a little bit of research and follow a little bit of. You need to get into a prediction mentality. Usually, what happens is traders who look just at the charts and all, they don't have the prediction mentality and risk management. They do not follow. So, what you need to do is, suppose you want to be a BTSD trader, you need to focus more on predicting things and predicting, observing, studying, predicting. Okay, first you learn to predict, analyze, do all these things, and then what you do is then you get into actual trading. Okay, so BTSD is such that you need to do some kind of prediction. You need to have a little bit idea as to how where the market will go, and even if 99% of prediction is not right, one prediction would be right, and that one prediction when it is right, you that is a time of investing. Okay, so you need to always do a BTSD and try to predict tomorrow's market, or try to predict what will happen maybe on Monday, how the market will move. So you need to have some kind of pattern, you need to follow some kind of pattern, and even if you're 1% right in the BTSD trade, and you are and you invest that one time, what happens is that you make a good amount of money. In BTSD you can make very good amount of money, but you need to be right. So you need to learn how to predict the market, and usually what the traders say that markets are unpredictable and all. You need to follow certain strategy in the sense, like, you need to follow certain principles of trading, like the risk management, and certain things like being patient, and holding to more time. Okay, these things are very important. Okay, so I would suggest that BTSD you do with one lot, or one lot or two lots. Don't do it with full amount. If suppose you have a backing or support or something like that, then you can take some risk. But then if you don't have any backing or support, don't take risk in BTSD. First you analyze and observe, and and also I'd suggest that don't get into borrowing money from others, because it creates additional stress. So refrain from borrowing money. Try not to borrow money. So these are certain principles now which you need to be and you need to be very careful. You need to learn how to hold things for a long time in market, because if you learn to do that with more risk management, and you will be able to hold on to, you would be able to make big amount of profits. Okay, so the techniques are very simple, but you need to learn them, and I have also posted this techniques on my Telegram channel, so you can subscribe to it, and it's an awesome videos I've uploaded. It's too good. So all these videos I'm uploading, it's got very good information, and it's too good. So it will definitely help you out, and it will work wonders in your trading. Okay, and what I would suggest is that get into the prediction type of mode and try to see, analyze. Unless and you don't predict, no, then you'll be in constant suspense as to how the market will move. You should get into a prediction zone as to market will touch, say, 300 points, or market will touch 200 points, or market tomorrow the market could be below 200 points. So you should have that little bit of prediction mentality. Okay, you need to observe the market. If there are three, if Friday, Saturday, Sunday is off, then Monday what could be the trade. Usually what happens on Monday, if there's Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, you have to analyze this. These are like part of fundamental analysis. Okay, usually I have seen a lot of videos. They encourage to see the charts. Charts are okay. Technical analysis are okay if you watch charts and all. But sometimes what happens, the market takes a very it it takes a very fast move. And even if the chart shows a green candle, or it's very difficult to come to a conclusion that we need to get into that. Okay, so this kind of confusion keeps happening. So you need to have a, if you're facing this kind of confusion, you need to follow a different strategy. Okay, so what I have done is I don't follow the candlestick or the chart patterns so much. It's a part of this, just for just to see as to where the market is going, for some information. But there is also a back analysis of certain different things. Okay, like for example, this FII and DI activity for Monday. See, the Monday is it's showing us a positive, like 2,800 in crores. So these, and DI cash is 678 crores. So these kind of little bit of analysis has to be done. And even if this doesn't happen, if this doesn't come to pass, it doesn't matter. But sometimes it really helps. So we need to, if even if there is a 20% chance or 50% chance of certain things happening in the stock market, we should take that this. And every transaction, every trade you make, there is some certain amount of risk, and so you need to follow the risk management strategy. So suppose if I'll just give you an a very short intro about risk management. I've been speaking about risk management again and again. Risk management is something like, suppose you have money for 10 lots, and in option trading, you just go for one lot. Okay, you take the risk of one lot. Okay, you don't take the risk of 10 lots. Okay, suppose you have 1 lakh rupees, you don't put the complete 1 lakh rupees in trading. You what you do is you just invest, say 10,000 rupees, okay, in trading. Okay, or 5,000 rupees in trading. Okay, even 5,000 or 10,000 can generate wonders, make wonders. Okay, so these kind of strategies you try to use, and then you benefit out of stock market. Stock market is a easy way of making income, but you need to do a lot of studying. It is same as you go to school, and how you go to school and you study, you pass on the grades, you don't look at other students, you just see how you can perform well. Okay, and you practice and you practice and you practice when you go to school, and you practice, you try to get good marks, and you try to perform well in school. Same way in stock market, you have to practice and you have to practice and you practice, and till the thing, and you should have your own interpretation. Even in school, what we used to do is, we used to have certain times our interpretation were not right, but then it used to still get us marks. Okay, so in the stock market it's the same way. Maybe our interpretation are not 100% right, but then we can get the same results. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more viral information, very good uh, information about the stock market, and you can go through my videos, all my videos, again and again, and you can learn a lot of things. Okay, so I'll just end up this session right now. Thank you for your time. Bye.